Yo, what's up guys? My name is Brendan, and today I want to show you how to make the 540 kick easy by showing you 3 of the best kicks, drills in all of tricking. None of these are super difficult, and all of them will go a long way to improving your 540. But with all that said, let's get started. First, I want to go over the basic progression and the technique behind performing the 540 kick. To do the 540, a lot of the times people just do a tornado kick and then they kick so hard they land on their kicking leg. Now that said, that's a lot easier said than done. The exact 540 technique is you start in your cheat setup with your kicking leg in back and your non-kicking leg in front. You're then gonna step forward as you pivot your body, kicking up your back leg into that chamber position. Now the harder you kick that leg, lift your arms and push off your base foot, the higher you're going to jump into the air. Now, once you leave the ground, you can execute your round kick, taking the leg you just jumped off of and throwing that round kick way high into the air. As that leg comes out, you're going to be punching across with your body to try and follow through to land back on the kicking leg. Now, as you do the kick, you want to have martial form, spotting your target, making sure your leg is nice and extended. But after that, you need to get ready to land. So get that foot a little bit bent, don't kick into the ground, and try and get your arms in a little bit more of a relaxed position so that way you can land nice and easy. Now that's the 540 trick itself, and that's easy to say, but doing it can come with a little bit of difficulty. So to make that easier, here are 3 of the best drills to improve the 540 kick and the motion behind it to make it easier for all your future tricks. Real quick, if you like the content we make at Mastering Tricking, please go check out our website. We did a complete redesign. It looks amazing. You can pre-order not only the book in bulk at the cheapest price ever, but you can get the shirt I'm wearing right now, the Ice Lord pullover. It is one of my favorite things we have ever made. So guys, please go to the link, masteringtricking.com, and go check it out. Let's go. Back to the tutorial. The first drill we're going to do is the hyper round kick. Now to do this, you literally just start in your fire stance, throw your round kick, and then try and lift up your base leg as you do a slight jump to then land back on your kicking leg. This drill is super important for teaching you how to land safe. So doing it ad nauseum again and again and again is one of the best things you can do if you really want to make the 540 not only easy, but also safe. Our second drill is one of my absolute favorites, and this is either called the sitting 540 or the supported 540. I've heard it called both. All you're going to do is find something that is about waist height for you. If it's a little bit smaller, that's totally fine. If it's a little bit bigger, you're making gains. And then you're gonna sit down onto it and then lift the leg you would normally chamber as you do the 540, and you're going to put your weight on the back of it as you kick across and land back on your kicking leg. Now, I don't recommend you do this on a stump in the woods. I recommend you find something that is a little bit more stable, but in reality, you can do this anywhere. The big thing is just find somewhere where you feel comfortable sitting, lift that leg, and then you're just going to kick across, following through, and use the same motion as your arms that you want to use when you do the 540 kick. Doing this might seem silly and it might seem like not much to do, but if you do this over and over again, trust me, it will make the 540 far easier, which at the end of the day is the goal of this video. Our third and final drill is the standing 540. To do this, you stand in your chamber position with your leg on the ground and your leg raised in your fighter stance, and then you're going to jump up and try and do a 540. Now at first, you're not gonna have a big kick, and I encourage you to kick as small as you want. But as you do this drill, as time goes on, try and jump bigger and bigger to get the biggest kick you can. This is not only a drill for practicing your jumping technique, but it's also good for your strength. So drill it again and again and again, and do sets and reps of each of these drills I mentioned. If you do that, at the end, your 540 will feel very easy because you've done all the conditioning and all the technique to ingrain that muscle memory and develop the strength you need in those key muscle groups that are associated with performing the 540. This is why my 540s look so easy, because I've done these drills so many times. But guys, please do these drills for yourself. None of them are that hard, and each one of them will help a ton.